Big data, small business. Big data has become increasingly important because it allows us to analyze large amounts of data quickly and efficiently. What is big data exactly? Big data is a concept and meaning in the critical words of data science. Technology has developed over the years and is able to access these vast volumes of raw and unstructured data, hence, the need to streamline in taking actionable insights. The big data is an amount of unstructured data that can be analyzed and plotted, so then the crucial concepts related with the big data concepts, namely data processing, data mining, data processing, data analysis, and data storage. The key component is a hierarchical and simple architecture that makes it possible to collect and with this action data usable insights. Large data sets are separated into two phases: intrusion with analytics and data mining. In today's world, we have lots of information including social media and other sources. The biggest challenge facing organizations is how to store, organize and extract value from all this data. Big data is a concept and meaning. It's not about size but rather about the data itself. A large body of unstructured or semi-structured data can contain more valuable knowledge than just a smaller collection of carefully selected records. The new data coming from various locations like social media, web pages, mobile devices, machine-generated logs, sensor and networked environment. The business needs to keep pace and adapt to stay ahead. So the question arises that how do you get to your big data? First off, it's all about understanding your own data. You need to understand where the data resides, who owns the data, what data is available, and what data is missing. There is usually much more data than needed, so think of a good way to segment the data before storing or analyzing it. Think about the amount of data you want stored, its relationship to the rest of the data, what kind of access control you need, and how you would access it. What is big data used for? The big data technology carries information by the analysis of the distributed problem solution. The algorithms used in predictive analytics are moreover extracted from the loggers which supply the user information. The better the data is to the decisions of data analysts, then the data available in the process or the big data solutions is applied as the knowledge. The main features: Sage 5, Majority, MongoDB, Relational Database, Couchstar, Grub, Counter-Strike, Morton, same with AWS, Redshift, also some content services. The data consistency and quality has made the big data solutions to be more useful. How to analyze the big data? Analyzing the big data means to extract the valuable insights from the data collected over a period of time. There are various techniques involved in analyzing the big data. The structured data includes relational databases, Excel spreadsheets, text files, XML files, PDF documents, etc., whereas unstructured data cannot be stored in any structured format like the images, videos, sound recordings, tweets, emails, web pages, etc. There are different types of analytic tools used in big data analysis depending upon the type of data. The R programming language was initially created for statistical tasks. R is basically a scripting language that can be used interactively. The R programming language is mainly used for performing exploratory data analysis, predictive data analysis, data warehousing, reporting and visualizing data. Features of a programming language. 1. Powerful statistics. 2. Easy to learn. 3. Open source. 4. Suitable for all users. 5. Good for both programming and data science. 6. Cross-platform. 7. Free software. 8. Extensive libraries for data manipulation. 9. Highly interactive. 10. Flexible environment. 11. User-friendly interface. 12. Rapid development. 13. Useful for machine learning. 14. Used in predictive analytics. 15. Used for business intelligence. 16. Can handle missing values. 17. Supports parallel computing. 18. Interacts with other packages. 19. Used for data wrangling. 20. Has a wide range of functions for statistical analyses. 21. Allows complex mathematical computations. 22. Provides a variety of data frames. 23. Many examples provided in the documentation. 24. A good fit for exploratory data analysis. 25. Integrated with other software via modules. Why is big data important? The main objective of the big data technologies for the analysis and analytics group as a whole is data analytics. The purpose of big data solutions and systems in the entity processing group on its multitude of algorithms covers the observation of systems and workings of the entity. There is a lot of information which is available in the current market, however not all of them are useful in terms of decision making. You need to filter through the data to find what is relevant to you. The big data tables, data warehouses and analytics technique for effective prediction, intelligence and delivery of actionable insights such as services we are using has proven importance in the past few years to meet the emerging trends of big data, and new practices are using the data framework. The big data analysis for data science and artificial intelligence provides insights into organization relating to real-time and real-time data-driven decisions. The big data solution used by the big data industry must be consolidated into a single platform to provide the enhanced financial analysis tools, intelligence and security for deeper analysis. Cloud computing is now the common ground in the cloud usage, as we now consider it as a necessity, a space to channel that energy into better decisions with the aid of cutting-edge technologies. It is the way businesses across the world are leveraging the internet to gain competitive advantage in both cost and speed. Using big data platform or own solution? Organizations, people, business and commercial need the big data technology for big data analytics. This is why, at Pivotava we advise to use a data platform such as Hadoop from Parallel to Hive or Splunk or Mongo or Markov chains. Some of the benefits of AI, ML and machine learning. The benefits are huge since we can use the same code base across all three products. We get to reuse the code and it's easy to understand what each component does. Let's explore the data preparation process, which includes data architecture, data pipelines which take data from the cloud storage and infrastructure, SQL queries, Splunk and MapReduce, Hadoop, big data architecture which are mostly used for the data analysis. The combination of data as a big data tool and analytics is quite important in providing valuable insights into the whole process of data preparation. In addition, when using any of these technologies, the data model needs some sort of documentation that clearly describes how each field is mapped to the underlying schema. Small amounts of data such as paper, digital or analog are not stored in the cloud and highly amplified by the noise of social media, and it's essential to store it safely and securely in a secure environment. However, both platforms provide a great user experience, so choosing one over the other is really all about what you're looking for.